Okay, our I can statement for today is going to be I can combine like terms. So we are on lesson 3.2, combining like terms. To simplify expressions, we're going to add or subtract the coefficient of like terms. So just a little reminder, coefficient is the number in front of the variable, and like terms are numbers that have the same exact variable. So here it says, simplify the expressions below. Both of these have the same variable because they just have x, and it's a plus. So we're just going to add them together. That would simplify to 5x. Next one, they're both y. This time we're subtracting. 8 minus 11, we can't take 11 away, so it's going to be a negative. And we think 11 minus 8, that is 3. So it'll be a negative 3y. And then here we have 1/2 a times negative 6. Even though this is just a normal number and it doesn't have a variable, we can still multiply those together because that's just a whole number. So we would basically have 1/2 times, to change negative 6 to a fraction, we would put a 1 under it, and then we just multiply across, so numerator times numerator is negative 6, denominator times denominator is 2, so we have negative 6 over 2. Remember that that line means divide, so we're just going to do negative 6 divided by 2, and we should get negative 3. Don't forget that that a was with our 1/2, so we'll just put the a with our negative 3. Hopefully you guys can see that. And that's what that would simplify to. And then it says, when simplifying long expressions, group like terms first, then simplify. We probably saw this yesterday, but we just do it in either like circles or squares to see what's together. I'm going to put a 1 with this x because it's lonely and there's not 0 x's there. There is 1 x. And that's going to pair with my 7x. And remember, I take the sign with it. So I do 1x plus 7x. I get 8x and then minus 3.
Good morning, Eagles. Just a friendly reminder that we are meeting in PLCs this morning, and also a just gentle heads up that we are working on sub coverage this morning. We are a couple subs short. So apologies in advance if we need to interrupt a PLC time to see if we can try to get some coverage. Have a great Tuesday in the Grove.
You guys get to hear the announcement, so just ignore that part. Then we have 9a. We have a lonely a. We're going to give it a 1. So then we have 10a. And then we have our negative 4b and plus 12. Really doesn't matter what order we put them in. And we can switch it so that it would be 10a minus 4b plus 12 as well. Either way is fine. Next one, we've got lots of different variables. I'm going to circle my ones with my n's, give that one a 1. And then I'm going to square my ones with the m, give that one a 1. Negative 8n minus 1n is going to be negative 9n. Negative 1m plus 6m is going to be a positive 5m, and then my plus 10. And then I'm going to give this a 1. I don't have any like terms there, so we're just going to leave that the same. We typically write our number with our exponent that has the highest power first, so 3x squared plus x minus y plus w. So that one doesn't have any like terms. We just leave it just like that. And then you guys can go ahead and do the practice.